Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet pillow cover design for your sofa. A crochet pillow cover design is a decorative cover made by crocheting yarn into patterns that fit our sofa cushions or throw pillows. These covers add texture, warmth, and a handmade charm to living room decor. Next, tips for decorating with crochet pillow covers. Mix different crochet textures while keeping a consistent color palette. Use neutral shades for an elegant farmhouse look. Combine crochet pillows with linen or cotton cushions for extra comfort. Add seasonal colors by changing pillow covers throughout the year. Use odd numbers of pillows, 3 or 5, for a balanced sofa arrangement. Crochet pillow covers are a single way to make a sofa feel warmer, cozier, and more personalized while adding handmade vintage charm to your home. Here are some additional tips for decorating with crochet pillow covers on a sofa. They are different sizes, combine large, medium, and small crochet pillows. This creates a cozy, professionally styled look. Next, choose soft vintage colors like cream, ivory, shades green, dusty rose, light blue, and beige work beautifully. These colors suit cottages, farmhouse, and vintage-inspired interiors. Mix patterns carefully. Pair intricate crochet designs with simple, solid colored pillows. This prevents the sofa from looking too basic. Add floral touches. Use crochet pillow covers with flower motifs. Coordinate them with fresh or dried flowers in the room. Use natural fibers. Cotton and wool yarns provide a soft, authentic handmade appearance. Natural fibers also add warmth and texture. Decorate seasonally. Spring, use pastel shades and floral patterns. For summer, use light cotton covers in white and blue. For autumn, use warm rust, mustard, and brown tones. For winter, use chunky crochet textures in cream and grey. Create a cottage-inspired look. Pair crochet pillows with floral curtains, wooden furniture, and vintage accessories. This enhances the cozy cottage atmosphere. Add decorative details. Choose covers with tassels, rings, buttons, or lace edging. These details add extra charm and personality. Balanced texture. Mix crochet pillows with smooth fabrics such as linen, velvet, or cotton. The contrast makes the sofa more inviting. Keep a handmade feel. Slight variations in handmade crochet pieces add character. Embrace their unique appearance rather than aiming for perfect uniformity. These ideas work especially well if you enjoy vintage, farmhouse, cottage, shepherding, or country-style decor, as crochet pillow covers naturally add warmth, texture, and timeless charm. Here are some creative tips for crochet pillow covers. Choose travel yarn. Cotton yarn is strong, easy to wash, and holds its shape well. Cotton blends also work nicely for everyday use. Measure the pillow form first. Measure the pillow inside before starting. Make the cover slightly smaller for a snug fit. Start with simple patterns like granny scarves, single crochet, and double crochet patterns are beginner friendly. Simple designs can look elegant and timeless. Add texture. Use bubble, puff, basket weave, or cable stitches. Textured stitches make pillows stand out on a sofa. Create a decorative border. Finish with scalloped shell or picoed edging. Borders gives the pillow cover a polished look. Use a color palette. Choose 2 to 4 coordinating colors like cream, rose green, dusty rose, soft blue, and beige are great counter-style choices. Make removable covers, add buttons, ties, or an envelope style bag. This makes washing and changing covers much easier. Block your crochet pieces. Gently shape and block the finished panels before assembling. This helps create neat ends and an even appearance. Add handmade embellishments like crochet flowers, leaves, bows, or small motifs can personalize your design. Use them sparingly for an elegant finish. Mix motifs and textures. Combine granny skirts with textured panels. This creates a unique, custom-made pillow cover. Reinforce the shim. Stitch panels together securely. Strong shims help the cover withstand daily use. A charming cottage-style crochet pillow cover often combines soft neutral colors, textured stitches, and small floral details, creating a cozy handmade accent that looks beautiful on a sofa. Combine multiple stitch patterns. Use one stitch pattern on the front and a simpler pattern on the back. This creates visual interest while saving time and yarn. Make a patchwork design. Crochet several small squares in coordinating colors. Join them together for a charming vintage-inspired look. Use raised stitch details. Front post and back post stitches create beautiful, rigged and textures. These stitches add depth to plain designs. Create floral appliques. Crochet small roses, daisies, or leaves and sew them onto the cover. This works especially well for cottage and showpiece decor. Experiment with color blocking. Divide the pillow into sections of different colors. Soft neutral and pastel combinations look elegant and modern. Add corner tassels. Attach tassels to the corners for a playful boho or codicil. Match the tassel color to the pillow or use a contrasting shade. Use a repeating motifs like hearts, flowers, stars, or geometric shapes can be repeated across the cover. Repeating motifs create a professional looking design. Create a reversible cover. Design each side differently. You can change the look of your sofa simply by flipping the pillow. Finish with knit edged. Add 1 or 2 rounds of single crochet around the finished cover. Clean edges make the project look more polished. For a vintage cottage or farmhouse sofa, try combining cream-colored granny skirts, delicate floral appliques, and wooden button closure. This creates a timeless handmade pillow cover that adds warmth, texture, and charm to your living room. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!